Hey, I'm Charlie. That's my sister.
Hi, I'm Pim.
My mum.
Hi, I'm Nee.
My dad. What's your name, Dad?
Hello.
That's right. And how old are you, Dad? 320. Wow, pretty old. So he's going to be 90 in a month. If you can't tell already, he has Alzheimer's. But we've come to McDonald's out of his favourite snack, apple pie, but we get fries anyway, haven't we? And he's going to hopefully take us to a nice view to eat. All right, Dad, you're going to lead the way? Home. Home? Instead of home, let's go somewhere with a nice view. How about that? Do you want to lead the way? We'll follow you and you show us where to go. All right? Okay, coming up to a roundabout, Dad. Left or right?
Turn to the right.
Turn to the right. Sorry?
Left.
Left here, okay. How about this roundabout?
Left to right.
Left again?
Left.
Okay.
Left.
Thank you. But Dad, there's another roundabout. What do we do?
Straight on.
Straight on, okay. Perfect. Okay, coming up to another roundabout. Where do we go, Dad?
Left then.
Left? Alright.
Yeah.
So I remember when Dad used to drive me around, he'd always pick up hitchhikers. Didn't you, Dad?
Yeah.
Even people who weren't hitchhiking, you just saw walking where he was going, he'd stop and offer them a ride. He loved driving, loved taking people around. So even though he's got Alzheimer's and his memories are fading like names, he loves getting in the car and going for a drive.
Yeah.
You still remember to help people, huh?
Yeah.
And even now, sometimes when I take him for a drive, he'll tell me which way to go and give me directions.
Yeah.
So those directions are still there every so often.
Yeah, deeply ingrained in the core of his memory, isn't it? The directions of the local area. He's quite a backseat driver, actually.
Yeah, yes.
Okay, how about here, Dad?
Yep.
Left or straight or right?
Left.
Left, okay.
Right.
Beautiful. Look at that. Gorgeous. Look at that white horse.
I haven't been here for ages. Yeah, your favorite person, Alan.
Wow, beautiful road. Look at this guy going for a jog. Good for him. Sorry, Dad? Right here? Okay. Wow, this place is hard to find, isn't it? Those little roads. Beautiful. Alright, we're nearly there, looks like. You want us to stop here?
Yep.
Okay. Alright, let me turn around. That's it. Nice one. Thanks, Dad.
Wow.
Beautiful view. Hip hip hooray! Go on then, pass it on. There we go.
Yeah.
Some chips. Got a cup of tea or something for him?
Yep, I was looking for milk to make tea for him.
That's for you, Dad. You are my dad. There you go.
Are you there?
You good? Gorgeous view, isn't it?
Yeah. Wow, luckily the weather good as well.
Yeah.
Not too hot at the moment, just
Lovely. There you go.
well, thank you, Alan, darling. That lovely place you bring us.
Yeah.
Thanks, Dad. Cheers, Dad.
Cheers. Bing, 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 bing.
Bang, bang,
Bing,
bang.
bing, bing, bing.
Bang, bang, bang.
Bang.
Yes. White horse.
The white horse.
White horse.
Not for me. Oh.
All the best.